So you need to start the car. It's in comfort mode. Go to sport mode. With the engine still running, the exhaust remains open in sport mode, so just use a little flathead screwdriver, pinch it and pull off the lead. You're just going to have to now protect this and the female counterpart here from any water ingress, so you're going to want to use some insulation tape. Seal this off, and then you're going to tuck this away behind the heat shield here. There's 3 bolts, 10mm, just 2 should suffice here and here. I'll show you in a minute, but tuck it away, and then it will be protected until you want to connect up if you go back to BMW, or you just get sick of cold starts and the louder decibel.